to place a candidate on billing and update job dates and values in Tracker RMS. After you've sent out an offer to a candidate and they've accepted it, you're going to want to place the candidate working as well as update any job dates and values with that particular candidate. To do so, you're going to hover over the candidate card until you see the sprocket appear. If you hover over that, you'll see it says View Candidate Placement Record, so that's where I would like to click. On the placement record itself, I can take the status here and change this candidate to On Billing. Please do keep in mind, since Tracker is customizable, your status might be slightly different and your terminology might be a little bit different for what you use when you place a candidate on a temporary position. Once you've changed the status, your next step is to update the financials. Click on the Financials tab or go to wherever your placement dates and placement rates are located. You'll then go ahead and enter their start date, their end date. You can even add start time and end time if you would like. From here, you'll then add their pay rate, their charge rate, overtime pay rate, and overtime charge rate. If you need to add any margins, taxes, or burdens, please click on the drop-down menu. Choose from the menu below whatever your margins, taxes, or burdens may be. This is another thing where your drop-down menu may look slightly different than mine since your system is most likely customized. Once you've updated all that information, your placement value has been updated. This is taken into consideration your start date, end date, pay rate, charge rate, and any margins, taxes, or burdens that you've added. Now that we've added them, we can update the job itself if I'd like to have the job reflect my candidate's start date, end date, and placement values. To do so, click on the Action button in the top right corner and go down to Update Job Dates and Values. The pop-up will ask me if I'd like to update them, and I'll click Yes. Now that the job has been updated, I can view those changes from the Profile tab inside the job. I'll go ahead and close this placement record, click on the Profile tab, scroll down to the Job Dates area, and you'll see here our start date has updated, our end date, as well as our job value. Please do keep in mind, if you do not want to update the job itself from the placement record, you can add all the details that you would like inside the placement record. And instead of hitting Update Job Dates and Values, you can just update the financials here and either hit Save and Close or Save Only, and the candidate's information will be saved with their particular start date, end date, pay rate, and charge rate, but the job itself will not be updated.